Enhanced have worked with GV since its inception, and when you've worked with a supplier for that long, there's a reason for that. We have trust in each other. I've been involved in the business for 7 years, and I look at Enhanced as a valid business partner who I can go to for advice. So knowing that Enhanced have got everything covered means that, you know, I don't have to worry about it. I can concentrate on driving our business forward. The people at Enhanced know the key people at GV. We have a good working relationship. They know everyone's way of working, and it tends to be a seamless interaction. The relationship we have with Enhanced is we have regular forums to talk about any developments that are out there. We've had good in-depth discussions about AI, and I find that something, you know, really that I can rely on with Enhanced as a partner. I'm very confident that our current technology platform can support our growth in the future. We've doubled our growth in the last 7 years. Our previous systems weren't capable of supporting the size of business we are. One of the main reasons we worked with Enhanced to put in Microsoft Dynamics was so that we could support the growth to the next level.
So our accounting solution was built 20 years ago and hadn't really kept up with the modern time. The type of business that we are has drastically changed. We needed a solution which was going to cater for growth and also gave us the ability to have a fully integrated stock solution, including our sales process as well. The scoping stages were extremely important to the success of Business Central being implemented. We have some really complicated processes and workflows here, which we didn't think a solution would be able to cater for. But through their probing and with combined working, we've managed to actually get some customization work developed, which actually takes a lot of the stress out of the processes, have sped up many of those slow areas, and has actually automated what we needed to do and really achieved the perfect resolution to a system. So we needed a solution which was actually going to grow with the business. Since implementing Business Central, we have gone through the process of automatic purchase invoicing, so they get matched to our purchase orders. They then go through an automated approval processes, and if certain invoices match certain criteria, they're fully released and posted. Otherwise, it will go through an approval chain. The whole time-saving exercise from our purchase to pay has been unfold, really. It's surprising how much that system, that workflow, has really saved for our business. Other areas that we needed to sort of reduce our workflow on was our sales process. With Business Central, we've implemented some customizations, which allows us to take our data straight from Excel and push it directly into Business Central. The quotes then go through an approval process, and once those quotes are confirmed, a touch of a button, that quote is converted straight into a sales order. We wanted to save time, we wanted to save repetitive tasks being done over and over and over again. The time savings that we've built in to Business Central is unbelievable. We decided to split that go live. So we decided to give our sales team access to Business Central and get comfortable with it before we actually implemented it from an operational point of view. The training that we received from Enhanced was fantastic. They obviously spent the time learning our business through those scoping sections, and we had a consistent consultant throughout the whole process. They were involved in the scoping stages, the building stages, and the training stages. And everybody was up and running straight away. There was none of this downtime. Everybody was quite comfortable with how they needed to use Business Central. They were comfortable with the workflows within Business Central. And that training element and having that training plan and giving people time, the ability to learn it, was untold benefits. By having it all in one system, it gives complete visibility of our workflows, our processes. So within BC, I can easily see where things are, what transactions are, who's working on which transaction, and it allows those teams to work collaboratively to make sure that their end result is achieved.